proper shutdown of your snowblower. Idle it a little bit, cool off the valves, and then shut it off, and then pull it up on compression stroke. Okay, so that means your valves are closed. You pull it up on a compression stroke, you know your valves are closed. No moisture's going to get in the cylinder. So there you go. PSA for the day. Park it properly. Empty the tub. If the tub has snow in it, it will freeze. It will freeze, and then you'll go to engage the augers, and you will screw the belts. There you go. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and we'll see you soon. Comment, please do.